A viewer asked me, can you recommend the brands who sell budget kurta sets for college? Yes, why not? If I were shopping right now, the brands I would check are Jaipur Kurti, Libas, Jaipur, Fabindia, but Jaipur and Fabindia during sale. And definitely I would not buy blindly from any of them because for college, the prettiest kurta is not always the best one. I would look for something that survives commute, heat, washing, long lectures, and repeat wear. So let me show you which brands I would check, who they are good for, and what I would avoid. Let's start with Jaipur Kurti. I would check this first if your budget is tight and you want something simple printed ethnic wear. This is the kind of brand I would look at for printed kurtas, easy kurta sets, daily college wear, and pieces that feel casual enough for everyday use. What I like is that you can find many simple options easily. But because there are many options, you have to filter carefully. I would not pick the loudest print or the most festive looking set. For college, I would choose something breathable, washable, and easy to repeat. My advice is to check the fabric, zoom into the product photos, and definitely read reviews. If I find a simple cotton set or cotton blend set, I would pick it. But I would avoid if something that looks synthetic, too shiny or too delicate for everyday wear because it is not good for regular washing. Jaipur Kurti is best for budget-friendly printed ethnic wear. Next is Libas. I would check Libas if you want something that looks little more polished but still work for college. Libas has a lot of kurta sets but the prices can vary a lot. So I think I would mostly check it during sale or when I want one slightly better set instead of buying 2 or 3 random cheap sets. For college, I would choose the simpler Libas pieces like straight kurtas, easy cotton sets, simple prints, comfortable pants, and nothing too festive or heavy. The good thing about Libas is that some pieces can work beyond college too. You can wear them for a small family function, casual outing, internship days, or even a simple festive moments if styled well. But I would not pay more just because it is Libas. I would still check fabric, stitching, reviews, and whether the set is actually versatile. Libas is best for slightly polished college wear, especially during sale. Now Jaipur. Jaipur is not the first brand I would call college budget. Most of the time it sits on higher price range. But during sale, I would definitely check it for one better, more thoughtful piece. It's not for buying 5 daily wear sets, but more like one good set that feels special but still can be repeated. Jaipur can be nice if you like Indian prints, craft-inspired pieces, cotton, handloom-style textures, and slightly more mature silhouettes. But here, I would be extra strict. I would not buy something because it looks beautiful. I would ask, can I wear this to college without feeling overdressed? Can I wash it easily? Can I wear the kurta separately? Can I pair the bottom with another kurtas? Will I still like this print after 1 year? If the answer is yes, then the Jaipur sale piece is considerable. But if it feels occasion specific, I would skip it. Jaipur is best for one better piece during sale and not bulk daily shopping. Fabindia is similar. I would not call Fabindia a cheapest option. But during sales, it can be worth checking for simple, breathable, classic silhouettes. Especially if you like cotton, handloom-inspired textures, simple kurtas, and clothes that don't feel too trend-driven. For college, I would avoid anything too formal, too stiff, or too expensive for daily use. Instead, I would look for simple cotton kurta sets, easy kurtas, or separates that can mix with jeans and pants. The reason I would check Fabindia is not because every piece is budget friendly. It is because some pieces are timeless enough to be repeated for years, but only if the piece can make sense for your life. A sale piece that you can wear for 30 times is definitely a good purchase. A full price piece that you are scared to wear on daily basis, is not a good purchase for daily college wear. Fabindia is best for classic cotton pieces during sale. So if I had to simplify everything, if I have tight budget, I would go for Jaipur Kurti. If I want something polished but still accessible, I would go to Libas during sale. If I want one better craft inspired piece, I would go to Jaipur during sale. And I would choose Fabindia for classic cotton pieces but during sale. That is where I would start, not where I would automatically buy. There's a difference. Honestly, if your budget is tight, I would not always go for a full set. Sometimes separates are smarter. For example, buy one good kurta, one neutral black or beige pant, and use jeans you already own. That one kurta may suddenly give you 3 outfits. This is definitely better than buying a full set where every piece only works together. For college, I would definitely choose versatility over pieces that match perfectly. Especially if you're buying from brands like Jaypore or Fabindia, I would definitely look into separates too. A single kurta can sometimes be more useful than a full set. A few things that I would personally skip for daily college wear. Very heavy embroidery, dry clean only pieces, very light fabric that becomes transparent, full polyester sets for hot weather, and outfits that only look good in the product photo but don't make sense for 8 hours of real life. For college, comfort is not optional. I will leave Wishlink collection below with some college friendly kurta sets and separates that I would personally check. But please use it as shortlist, not a shopping list. Check your wardrobe first. Maybe you already have better kurtas and you need better option for pants. So buy the gap, not the whole wardrobe again. So take care, shop slowly, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.